Hey guys, so I was looking how we can possibly fix the issue if your Legion Go is not charging, and this is something I found on Reddit. Maybe it's going to fix it. So first, RMA, this is the first thing. Then also that you want to do is that with the Ali you had to unplug and replug the battery by opening up the device. I'd probably try that before doing the RMA to save time. So this is another thing that you can try to do. So just completely unplugging the battery. And then another thing that you can try to do, leave it charging for 12 hours, and during the time keep trying to turn it on. It will wake up eventually. I'm not totally sure, but it happens when the battery is getting fully discharged. So this can be also the solution for it. And yeah, I hope this video helped you. I was like looking for how we can possibly fix the issue that you have. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.